Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are exploring the interface of our Skillshop platform, specifically the Register New Product page. This is the gateway for sellers to list their skills and services. Let's break down how we design the page to be both professional and user-friendly. The page uses a centered single column layout by using a soft gray background and clean white central card. We reduce visual noise. This minimalized approach ensures that the seller stays focused on the task, providing accurate information about their service. We organize the form fields to follow a natural thinking process for a seller. It starts with the product title and description, which are the most important elements for a buyer. Then we move into technical details like category, price, level, and status. Finally, we conclude with the product image upload, which acts as the final seal of the listing. You can see we use drop-down menu for category, level, and status. In the product image section, you can see we used a large container with a light gray dashed border. This is a common design pattern in premium applications because it clearly signals to the user that this is a drop zone for files. In the center, we placed a clean upload icon. This visual helps users understand the function of the section instantly without even reading the text. And look, each input field is designed with high readability in mind. Every field has a clear label and essential fields are marked with a red asterisk. The input box have subtle borders that glow when selected, it providing active feedback to the user. Notice the category and price sections. They sit side by side on desktop to save space, but will stack on mobile devices, ensuring the page remains fully responsive. Let's dive into the code. We built this page using Tailwind CSS to give it modern, clean, and highly professional look, ensuring sellers can list their skills with zero frictions. We started with the min edge screen BG Gray 50. This off-white background makes the central white from pop and feel more premium. It reduces eye strain and keeps the focus on the inputs. We used text for Excel font bold for the main title. This creates a strong visual hierarchy, making it immediately clear to the seller where they are. The entire form is wrapped in a BG white rounded LG shadow MD. This card-based designing is a standard in modern web apps because it organizes complex data into a clean, digestible format. Using P8 padding ensures the form feels precise and doesn't look cluttered even with many input fields. Notice the red asterisk, text read 500. This is crucial UX detail that tells the user which fields are mandatory before they even try to submit. Every input has a focus ring to focus ring blue 500 class. When a user clicks a field, it glows with a soft blue border, providing immediate feedback that the field is active. For the price field, we used a relative wrapper to place the RS prefix inside the box. This makes the UI feel more native and professional. Instead of a boring button, we created a drag and drop area using border to border dashed. The dashboard border is a universal symbol for file drops. We added hover BG Blue 50 and transition colors. When a user drags a file over, the area changes color slightly, making the interface feel alive and responsive. The actual file input is hidden. We use JavaScript to trigger the click, allowing us to have total control over the beautiful custom design. We use a clear label with text SM font medium. This tells the user exactly what is required. Notice this the centered SVG icon provides a strong visual indicator of the upload function, making the UI intuitive even without reading the text. The classes hover border blue 500 and hover BG blue 50 provide instant feedback. When a user hovers over this area, it changes color, signaling that it's interactive and ready for a. The success and error boxes are color coded BG green 50 versus BG red 50. We use color theory to instantly signal the result of an action. Green for good, red for error. Our JavaScript handle file select function ensures that the moment you pick an image, the upload zone disappears and a beautiful preview image, rounded LG shadow MD, appears. This gives the user instant confirmation. The register product button uses a BG gradient to R from blue 600 to indigo 600. Gradients and depth and make the primary section hand out. We also added hover scale 105 for a subtle pop effect when the user hovers over it. The cancel button is kept in a natural BG gray 300 so it doesn't complete with the main registration. Just like in our previous videos, we have integrated the header and the footer into this page as well by using the require function in PHP. We ensure that the navigation bar and the footer stays consistent across the entire platform. This is a best practice in web development because it allows us to manage our layout from a single place, making the Skillshop project easier to maintain and much more professional for the user. That concludes our deep dive into the designing part of the Register New Product page. As we have seen, combining a clean layout with interactive elements like the drag and drop uploaded zone makes the Skillshop platform feel premium and easy for sellers to use. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I'll see you again with another video. In our next session, we will move into the backend processing to see how we save this product data and images into the database. Until then, stay consistent and keep building. So have a nice day all.